Hello, memwakwaba about my YouTube channel so Tech Light. Your friend me Pies. And then person me show kwan obefa so abeto cryptocurrency with mobile money using Binance app. Okay, for obi owning Binance one of the best cryptocurrency exchange. Now, omo app no, if you don't have it, ubetimi akọ we use Android ubetimi akọ Play Store. Now, what search Binance. Or type Binance and then you can install the app. We use iOS and so wait me call App Store now when you install. And after installation, you just need to launch the app. And you launch the app now, a over interface be say. Interface now Binance app no a more light version and a more pro version. And ebi was startup no a over light version. Enti ubehu wallet ewo ha se o click so a no ubehu o assets ewa ha se and then enti let's get started. Enti sisi ayewo light app no so Binance Lite no P2P no before we can have access na say your call pro version no so enti you just click on the profile icon ewo top left corner no and then ubehu Binance Lite just toggle the bottom na ewo honom no edo beba pro version no enti pro version no so say na etie now no ye be head straight to P2P before obedi can turn o crypto no obe transfer from o spot wallet to o funding enti eno answer obe call transfer and then you can change maybe a USDT no select USDT no specify amount a person on converting fanco funding no. I've already done that into now let's head straight to the P2P. Okay, into P2P na say na etie yawo buyers wa ha say and a lot of sellers and so ewa ha say into buyers ne ye say opese auto that's where you come to buy page and then opese auto to then you go to the sell page. Okay, esro ha say your Binance P2P and then click on P2P now we P2P and then Express. Difference na say P2P no free range. Eno ebi ate say me pese me ton kra metimi e de ato ho no. And then okay Express na Express no Binance feature bi a omode beka ho because of scammers ba P2P ni mu. Because ebi wo ha obetimi a transfer sika na ma nipa no but on release crypto no emma nti at the end no na sika no ahye nti to prevent that no na Binance introduce Express nti Express no say o click so a Binance ankasa ebe choose either say seller and say buyer amount trusted or ma verify or account no as traders so nti eno no trust kakra ewo ho no even though enye 100% but trust no kakra ewo ho echen P2P no nti usually no me say die me ye ne say se me ton a me na me release crypto no nti aya na me pay good price aya na me pay good price nti ebi wo ho a me ba sell because no me receive sika no ansa na me release crypto no ama nipa nti se sika na amba I still have my crypto. So, do time I may turn just for me to prevent myself from being scammed. Now, me call Express a honum. Now, my call aquacoto with the Express. Inti with this tutorial, now, me baby count on. Inti me turn me use P2P we say now every time I me turn so I'm use Express now when both ways the way I it. First of all, my mini can select my payment gateway. And one thing is before obedi can aton say set your payment gateway. To set your payment gateway no obeba aha say on the top right corner no baby a three dots no one. You just click on it and then ubehu payment method you click on it. Enti ohwe ha say I set my payment method ewa ha. Enti I will add MTN as another payment method. So the be am the bachelor. I will just go to add payment method. And then now I select mobile. So in case I'm saying no about MTN mobile money. Sounds na Vodafone cash. I'll be type Vodafone cash. Nti medin wɔ ha say because of say me verify my account no dada nti, and then I'll just type my number. Confirm. As I said, me confirming number nti I'll click on the send code. Okay. Nti now me nsa ka me code nti I will submit. Okay. Sisi ama set me payment method no awie. Nti kwan abefa so abe set payment method nie. Now no me ba beton me crypto no. Nti me kwa akɔhwehwɛ buy a obetimi atɔ me 80. Nti me hwɛ ha sen a we de ne yɛ 80 Ghana cedis to 3,000. But me select me payment method a me pese me use so, and then confirm. Okay, nti omo ton omo use Voda Cash ni. Okay, nti me hwɛ authentic trading a ono obetimi atɔ me 80 Ghana cedis no ama me at a price of 8.53 Ghana cedis for $1. Nti I will just click on sell. Nti me specify quantity na me pese me ton amount no, which is me ton $10. I'll select my payment method, Voda Cash, and then click on sell. Nti aha say no my initiative transaction no. Nti window no transaction of session no 2 minutes and then a little bit 40 seconds. Nti say me twen say nipa no ebe sende sika no aba me momo nim, and then me receive via ansa na me release crypto no ama no. Nti say me twen payment in a few minutes no nipa no ebe ye payment. Nti sa nso na also be twen say ubenya alert no, na unya alert ni wi a ko momo nim na ko check o balance ehu say sika no aba ansa na we release crypto no ama nipa na. Nti sa na say we release crypto na eye very very difficult ama o say won sa be kan crypto no, because won sa be kan long process. Afi na o ba be contact binance wa submit proof ansa na o ma contact nipa no, na the nipa no aye nipa no a withdraw ni crypto no na say oni to be oni binance app ni so bi o ma na say we lose o crypto. Nti ya advisable say o be twen no we receive cash no wako balance akọ check say won sa kan sika no answer. Nti I will just keep waiting say me sa be kan alert no na afi ma release crypto. Okay, nti now no menya alert ewo me Voda Cash say nipa no asende scanner ma me. Nti na Binance aye payment received no button no active no. Nti I will just go into my Momo and then verify say me nsa akan sika na. Okay, nti me kohwe no sika no me receive which is 85.30 Ghana cedis. Nti I will just nti won saka sika ni wi a, then you click on payment received. I'll click on I have received and then confirm. Okay, nti obe send SMS code e dey call or phone no, so now one enter code na omo dey be bro no just to confirm say you na we initiate this transaction no. Then you click on submit. Okay, nti this is how you sell your crypto using the Momo. Nti now no ye ba be buying aspect no, so now ye ba be hwe ekwan ye be fa so ato with mobile money. Nti me go back to the market. For buying, I will just go back to the express. Now masanto another $10. Nti I'll go back to I'll select buy and then specify the amount that I want to buy, which is let me make it 90 cedis. Yeah. Nti sisi I'm top 90 Ghana cedis. then you click on buy, then you select your payment method. And this is the offer for 1 USDT, which is be a 1 USD, 8 cedis, 55 pesos. I'll just go ahead with the I'll select my payment method and then click on confirm purchase. Okay, now I say no, a bit preview or transaction no at the amount until you can go through to know say you are satisfied. Then you click on make payment. Okay, here nipa no Vodafone cash number no, or a merchant. I will just copy the merchant number no, and then you say me use Vodafone cash. I will go back to my my phone screen no, na makwa initiate transaction no ewo ho no. Option 2, and then option 1, withdraw from agent. I'll just go ahead and paste the till number no, repaste it again, and then must specify amount now may send the money pan. As I said, o send the same amount money pan pepe and so on, and ya do approve transaction. Send. Okay, Osha Skyward Cable Network fee of 90 cedis. I will just go ahead and confirm my transaction, then click on send. Okay, now my send here or matime. I'll just come back to Binance app no, and then click on transferred, notify the seller. Now me train say buyer no ebe approve transaction no. To say the me no me side no time I me turn the same transaction process. Me train say obe release crypto no ama me. Okay, ebi wo ha sa wo twen na say confirmation no buy na Binance send you message say ebia wo order no nipa no release crypto no echo account ni ma, you can just go back and check my wallet balance and pass ebia sika no aba. I will just go back to funding. Funding no, okay, yeah, me to 10.52 USD. Me share no na aba. Okay, process a wode beto crypto na wasan so aton with momo no. Hanam di base me da say wonti bibia so a, you can just pass a comment or video na say me ready say me respond ya, metimi so a respond ya ma. Say bia bibi so ho so na wonti ase a, ubetimi so a pass comment me ready. As I say bia me say another video ebe explain further emawa, I will just come back with that video. Me that's it. Thanks for watching.